What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Nate Matthews from NeverDenyMe.com, back again with another embroidery related video. Today we are back on the Brother SE 1900. Y'all see it right there, live in the flesh. Don't even think though, don't even trip though, because we still got the other big one right behind the machine right there. But I do want to show y'all, for everybody that might have just gotten this machine, it is a beast, it is a monster. It's how I got all my stuff started. Well, not with this specific one, but the same type of machine as this. So you don't need the big fancy machines to get your business started. So check this out, man. Today we are going to be stitching this monster right here. Well, I guess I wouldn't say it's a monster because it looks humongous as I'm showing you on the tablet. However, it is only going to be a 3-inch patch. Very detailed though. Y'all see it? Y'all see it? Follow me on Instagram too, by the way. My hashtag is right there on the image. Or not the hashtag, my website, NeverDenyMe.com. Let's go ahead and get today's project started though. We will go ahead and set it. Show you guys a close-up on the machine. There it is. That's what it's looking like. And we will go ahead and press OK. We also do have our hoop and leftover stabilizer. I've already verified though this is all the stabilizer that I need for my design. Dude, looks like we have a full bobbin down here. So we'll go ahead and slide that into place. Also change my needle, make sure I got a very thin needle right there, so it's going to get them details right on point. That's another tip for you guys that might ask for a design that has very, very small details, but then you got this big fat needle or something like that in there, and it's going to mess up. So if you have the correct needle size to match the design that you want and the size that you need it, everything should be good. So it's a lot to learn. Ask questions. I can help you guys some more, and I actually have some, paid tutorials and stuff like that on my website if you guys are interested. So we're going to go ahead and click edit end right here. I've already done my trace, but just to show you guys, we're going to hit the trace button right here, making sure that we do have stabilizer everywhere, that needle is above. There we have it. So everything looks set. So I'm going to go ahead and press OK. Embroidery. And it's telling us right up top that this design on this machine is going to take 18 minutes. I do think I have it set at the fastest speed on this one. I'm not too sure. But if it's not, that ain't too long, because you guys probably are not going to have to watch this whole thing for 18 minutes. So I'll make sure it's very minimalistic for you guys just to see what we got going here. Alright, so it says the first color is blue. Next color is white. And then we're going to do the blue fill. However, only reason I said to do a blue on my first step is so I can see what I'm doing. But I can actually see because there is good lighting here. So I'm going to go ahead and keep the white embroidery thread that we have right there. And when it asks for blue, we have our blue embroidery thread right here loaded up. So let's just go ahead and throw this bad boy down. And got to rethread the needle, and we're going to get started. Right now what it's doing is our placement stitch, letting me know where I'm going to be placing my fabric right here. And I guess I'll show you guys real quick before we proceed. We just went ahead and laid that marker down. I know it's kind of hard to see because it's white. That's why I initially set it to blue, but y'all can see it, right? And so can I. So I'm going to go ahead and place our material in here. Throw it back down. And let's get it. Just kind of hold it in place for the first couple stitches. And what we do have is a nicely formed circle. So we'll go ahead and pop this thing off. For now, I'll show you guys what we did. Nice little circle there. Now we are taking our applique scissors and we're going to go ahead and cut this out. And once we have the image cut out, this is what it looks like. And if you guys are wondering and looking saying, hey, that's not a perfect circle, good thing is you are correct. And that is exactly how the design was submitted. So it's not meant to be a perfect circle. So it does match to the design. So let's go ahead and pop this bad boy back into the machine. You have to be careful and make sure we pay attention to the machine, which tells us the next color is blue. So what we need to do is switch our colors out. Easy way to do that, just go ahead and get your scissors, nip it right there in the corner. By the way, as I'm doing this, if you guys find this video helpful, feel free to go to my channel because I have I don't know, maybe like 100 or so videos on this channel as well as on my other channel, full of embroidery related videos for this and other similar operable machines, where you guys can get a bunch of your tips and stuff from. So again, subscribe to my channel, stay tuned, ask questions, but keep in mind, everything that I've been learning, I've been making the videos on. So if you ask a question, chances are I've already answered it on my channel. So feel free to visit my page, neverdeny.me.com or youtube.com/neverdeny.me. So let's step back and watch the magic. Laying down those underlay stitches. Again, guys, I know a handful of you guys have asked me to buy this machine or for me to donate this machine to you. I have sold some of my other machines in the past. I ain't up there like that yet to be giving away, you know, expensive machines like this. I still need them to run my business. But for anybody who's in the market for one, I highly recommend this one right here. This is the Brother SE 1900. There is going to be a link for it in my description and links for other ones that I recommend on the website. And then whenever you guys are ready, you can step it up to this bad boy right here. Got info on this on my page as well. But for now, we're still using this one, man. Never getting rid of it. Alright, so we're all done with the base. And now, we're getting started with the lettering, my guy. So check it out. This is the importance of having a very small needle. Or I guess not necessarily a small needle, but the appropriate size needle for the design that you're doing. Because it's going to allow us to get some very clean, nice stitches that are actually legible. And you can read the words. If you do it with a fat needle, it's going to poke through the same spot. You're going to put holes in the fabric, and it's just not going to go well. So again, I know it might be kind of hard to see because I have the wide angle lens on today. But as the letters is going, they look very nice. It's a lot to learn when it comes to creating files, and for those of you who just, you know, don't have the time to try to learn yourself, or would like to start off and see how a design should look, shop with me, man. I really appreciate it. Not only when you guys just watch my videos, but if you like the videos, if you comment on the videos, if you share the videos, and you shop with me, because, you know, that goes directly to me. It helps me put more time into the craft so I can, you know, continue to make videos and work on stuff for y'all. Doing videos on small machines like this is what motivated me and gave me the encouragement that, you know, this will be a good tool to add to my arsenal, and now I can make sweaters and hats and hoodies and all types of larger things, all because of machines like this. So again, you know, Brother don't really rock with me. I don't think they rock with me. They don't follow me on Instagram. They don't be talking to me too much. They only ever likes, like, you know, 2 of my posts. But even though they don't really rock with me like that, I still gotta say I rock with Brother because, you know, their machines are still top notch to me as far as the home embroidery machines. But, you know, I guess I'll explain to you guys a little bit later why I didn't get one of the commercial Brother machines. But there's a reason for that. But this bad boy is looking clean. I know y'all see it. Anyways, though, I'm actually in the bathroom making a grooming video, shaving my head, lining my beard up and stuff. So I'll check back with you guys when this design is either finished or almost finished. And now before we continue, I'm just going to cut the string right there. The thread, my bad. When y'all say it's not called string, the thread, we're going to go ahead and cut that again with the applique scissors. I'll show you guys that on camera. I'll worry about the other ones a little bit later, but right now I just need to cut this one because we're getting ready to put a pattern right there over that spot. So there it is, very clean stitching. Go ahead and pop this back in, and now we need to go ahead and put the white thread back into the machine, and that means we're going to need these again. Do a little snip at the top. There we go. Remove this and get our white one back on there. This one says it's going to take 3 minutes. I didn't think it was going to take that long, which is not really that long, but 3 minutes compared to about 15 to 30 seconds on my other machine is kind of long, but we'll go ahead and stitch it out. Let's show you guys up close what it does. My bad, y'all. The reason I realize now it says it's going to take 3 minutes is because in addition to the design that it's going to put in there, it also has to put a border on the patch as well. So I think this is a pretty cool pattern. It works out pretty well with the way that I digitized it to stitch out. So it's very legible. Even though it's just a thin piece of detail, you can definitely see it. Very clean, very clean. No tangles, no nothing. Coming off that spool real clean. See, that's the part I was confused about. I thought it was going to take 3 minutes just to do that. So that was about 30 seconds. But now, we're going to put a nice border around the whole design, and we'll be all set. So I'll let you guys watch it stitch out to start, and then we'll catch y'all at the end. And look how clean it came out. So now, we're just going to go ahead and I guess cut the jump stitches, remove the backing, and package it up. And everything came out clean, exactly how it was kind of rounded right here. That's exactly how it was on the design, and came out perfect. If y'all like what you see, you want to see some more, learn more, go to the website, neverdenieme.com, shop with the kid, go to the YouTube channel, subscribe, share the videos, like them, comment on them to encourage me to make more videos for you guys. Otherwise, I'm just going to be getting busy off camera, man. And here you have it, the finished product. Very clean. It's cut out very well. As always, business card in the back. Thank y'all for tuning in. Neverdenieme.com. Catch you on the next one. Peace.